Now we will see another concept of specific techniques, that is halving. Halving means nothing but what? It is nothing but making a number half. Yes or no? Halving is nothing but what? Making a number half. That means, you tell me what do you mean by half, or how can we do a number half, which is nothing but division by, yes, division by 2. If you divide any number by 2, it is nothing, the resultant is nothing but a half of that number. Yes or no? Yes. Let us take an example. Suppose I want to divide a number, let us take some 437 by 2. Okay, 437 by 2. Simply what I am going to do, I will simply halve this number. So 2 times, 2 1 time, 1 remainder, 2 8 is 16, 1 remainder, 0.5. Okay, so 437 divided by 2. How we got? 218.5. You may think here, so how we got, what I am putting here, this 1 and this 0, what is all these things? Once again I am explaining you in a clear manner. Now you see here 4 can, if you divide a number by 4, how many times it goes? 2 times. Yes or no? There is no remainder, that's why I didn't put anything after 4, that is before 3. Now if you divide the number 3, okay, how many times it goes? 2 1 time. Yes, 2 1s are 2. Now eight times, so 2 8s are 16, that is 17 minus 16, what is the remainder? 1. Again put the remainder 1 before the next number. Now what it is taken as 15. How many times it goes? 2 7 times, 14. Finally what is the remainder you got? 1. But I need the answer in decimal points, so put a decimal point here. After putting a decimal point, you can add a 0 here. Yes or no? So how much it became? 10. So how many times it goes? 5 times. So the answer is 187.5. Like this you can go with any big number. Like let us now we'll take one more example. See here, suppose if I want to divide some 4 6 1 3 6 division by 2. So I want to make this number half, that is 4 6 1 3 6. Now what is the answer? You tell me. 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6. Is 1 will go in 2 table? No, it won't go, but it go 0 times. 2 zeros are 0. So 1 minus 0, what is the remainder? 1. Put that 1 before the next number. Now it became 13. some 4, 5, 3, okay, into 5. So I want to multiply 453 into 5, right? Now see here, how can we do this one in an easy and simple way? First, simply add a 0 at the end to the number. So what is the number, given number? 453. So simply add a 0 at the end of the number in the top, okay, so that it is visible as a separate thing which we put there, okay, but it is actually not there. So what is the number? 453. Simply put a 0 at the end. After putting a 0 at the end, you just make it a half. How much will you get? So 2 2s, 2 6, 1 remainder, 2 5s. So the answer is 2265. That means 453 into 5 is how much? 2265. One more example. 7357 into 5. I want to multiply 7357 into 5. What I need to do? First step, add a 0 at the end. After adding a 0, make this number a half. Okay, so 2 3s are 2 6s are 2 7s are 2 8s times and 2 5 times. So my answer is 3 6 7 8 5. You may get doubt why I am putting a 0 at the end, why I am doing a half. And now I will tell you the logic behind this one. Suppose if I want to multiply any number by 5, can I write 5 as 10 by 2? Yes or no? Which is nothing but x into 10 by 2 on the whole. Suppose if I want to multiply any number by 5, I can simply multiply the number by 10 first. Yes or no? When I am multiplying a number by 10 is nothing but putting a 0 at the end. Right? Yes or no? Yes. After putting a 0 at the end, what I need to do? I need to make it divided by 2. Division by 2 is nothing but what? Simply making it a half. So that's how we are going to get the answer like this. In the similar way, we can do the multiplication by 50 also. Any given number into 50. Now suppose same number, if you take 453 half. So 2 2s, 2 6 times, 2 5 times, and drop the 0 as it is. So your answer is 22650. One more example, 7357 into 50. So what is the step you need to take first? Add 2 zeros at the end. Add 2 zeros at the end. After adding 2 zeros, make it the number half. So 2 3 times 1, 2 6 times 1, 2 7 times, 2 8 times, 2 5 times, drop that one more 0 extra as it is. So your answer is 367850. Again, you may get the doubt why we are adding 2 zeros at the end and making it a half. The same logic we are going to follow here. Okay, so what is that logic? This is the logic for 5 and this is the logic for 50. See here, x into 50 is nothing but 50 can be written as 100 by 2. On the whole, it will be x into 100 by 2. Yes or no? This is another logic. Now x into 100, first x into 100 is nothing but what? Adding a 0. Because 500 means nothing but 1000 by 2. So that's why I am adding 3 zeros at the end. After adding 3 zeros, what I need to do? Yes, division by 2. So make it a half finally. So 2 2s, 2 6 times, 2 5 times, dropping 2 zeros at the end. So answer is 226500. Right? Similarly, one more example. So anyhow, the one more example is, let us take some 3765 into 500. How many zeros we need to add? 3 zeros. Make it a half. So 2 1s, 2 8s, 2 8s, 2 2s, 2 6 times, 2 5 times, 0 0. So your answer is 1882650. So that's how we can apply the halving technique in case of multiplication by 5, 50, 500 and so on series. Now we will see another advantage of halving. Now we will see another two advantages, another two applications of the halving, that is, one is x division by 4 and another one is x multiplication by 25, where x can be any given number. Okay, right, now see here. Suppose if I want to divide any number by 4, okay, let us take some 4, 3, 7, 6. I want to divide a number by 4. Whenever you want to divide any number by 4, division by 4 is nothing but making half 2 times. Yes or no? Yes. So that's what we are going to do here. Division by 4 is nothing but halving a number twice. Halving a number twice. So first, see the given number. What is the given number? 4, 3, 7, 6. Make it a half. How much will you get? So 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 8s, 2 8s. So I got a half of 4, 3, 7 and 6 as 2 1 double 8. Again make it a double. Again make it a half. So 2 1s, 0, 1 remainder, 2 9s, 2 4s. So the answer is 1094. That means if you want to divide a number by 4, simply make it half twice. First, take the given number, make it a half. How much you got? 2 1 double 8. Again make it half of 2 1 double 8. How much you got? 1094. So if you want to divide a number by 4, make it half twice. One more example I am going to tell you. Suppose 5 3 4 8. Is nothing but so 25 can be written as 100 by 4. So what you are thinking, first divide the multiply the number by 100, then division by 4, where division by 4 is nothing but halving twice. But here a small change. Here we are not going to divide the number, okay, twice, but we are going to directly divide the number by 4. So how? See here, in an easy way. First, whenever you are multiplying any number by 25, simply directly divide the number by 4. Directly, just 436. This is a given number which we need to multiply with 25. So simply divide the number by 4 directly. If you divide the number by 4 directly, so 4 1s, 0, 4 9s. We got the answer as 109. Now what is the remainder we got finally? Since the number is exactly divided by 4, okay, the remainder we got is 0. The remainder we got is 0. If you are getting the remainder 0, simply add 2 zeros at the end. Simply add 2 zeros at the end. Okay. Suppose, let us take another number. 437 into 25. Same thing. Divide the number by 4. How much will you get? 4 1s, 4 0, 4 9s with 1 as a remainder. Whenever you are getting 1 as a remainder, simply add 25. You may think, why we have to put 00 at the end if you get 0 as a remainder? Why we have to put 25 if you get 1 as a remainder at the end? Okay, now see here. Whenever you are multiplying a number by 100, okay, you will be having lastly 2 zeros at the end. Yes or no? Right, for these numbers, right? See here, if 00, this is exactly divided, so these 2 zeros are going to drop as it is. But here, after 1 there are 2 zeros, so this is 100. So this 100 you need to divide again by 4 only. So what is 100 by 4? 25. Suppose if you are getting 2 as remainder, so 200 by 4 is how much? 50. That means So whenever you are getting the 2 as remainder, you have to add 50 at the end. Similarly, if you are getting 3 as remainder at the end, okay, that is 300 by 4, which you need to add 75 at the end. Okay, see once again, whenever, see this is the remainder and these are the digits you have to add at the end. Digits at the end. So if you are getting 0 as remainder, add 2 zeros. If you are getting 1 as remainder, add 25. If you are getting 2 as remainder, add 50. And if you are getting 3 as remainder, add 75. This is the remainder table and according digits table which you need to add at the end when you divide a number by 4. Okay, so let us take one more example. Suppose let us take some 7346 into 25. 7346 into 25. We will directly divide the number by 4. You are going to get the same answer. Suppose if I take some big number like this, say 53762 into 25, I want to multiply. Simply divide the number by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 is a 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16. Okay, 2 I got at the end. Anyway, 4 0 is a 0. Finally 2 is the remainder. So simply put a 50 at the end. Why? Because remainder is 2. So that's how, that much simple we can multiply